Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we're going to dive into the next set of words in this series. Let's get started. Word, invective. Spelling, invective. Meaning, abusive or insulting language. Synonyms, abusive, insulting, vitriolic. Antonyms, complimentary, flattering, praising. Usage. The politician's speech was filled with invective against her opponent. The critic's invective review was widely criticized for its harsh tone. Word, inveterate. Spelling, inveterate. Meaning, long established, especially so as to be deep-rooted or ingrained. Synonyms, deep-rooted, entrenched, ingrained. Antonyms, new, recent, occasional. Usage. He was an inveterate gambler and lost a fortune. She had an inveterate dislike for spicy food. Word, inviolable. Spelling, inviolable. Meaning, never to be broken, infringed, or dishonored. Synonyms, sacred, inviolate, unbreakable. Antonyms, violable, breakable, negotiable. Usage. The Constitution is considered inviolable. The right to privacy is inviolable. Word, irascible. Spelling, irascible. Meaning, having or showing a tendency to be easily angered. Synonyms, hot-tempered, quick-tempered, choleric. Antonyms, calm, even-tempered, easygoing. Usage. He was known for his irascible temper. The irascible old man was feared by his neighbors. Word, iridescent. Spelling, iridescent. Meaning, showing colors that change as the angle of view changes. Synonyms, rainbow-colored, shimmering, glowing. Antonyms, dull, colorless, matte. Usage. The butterfly's wings were iridescent in the sunlight. The iridescent sheen on the fabric was captivating. Word, irreverence. Spelling, irreverence. Meaning, lack of reverence, disrespect. Synonyms, violation, profanation, blasphemy. Antonyms, reverence, respect, veneration. Usage. The comedian's jokes about the government were seen as an act of irreverence. The artist's use of religious symbols in a secular context was criticized for its irreverence. Word, irrevocable. Spelling, irrevocable. Meaning, not capable of being revoked or annulled. Synonyms, unreversible, unalterable, final. Antonyms, revocable, reversible, changeable. Usage. The contract was irrevocable, meaning it could not be cancelled. The decision to quit her job was irrevocable. She couldn't go back. Word, jubilant. Spelling, jubilant. Meaning, feeling or expressing great joy, satisfaction, or triumph. Synonyms, overjoyed, ecstatic, elated. Antonyms, dejected, downcast, disappointed. Usage. The crowd was jubilant when their team won the championship. She felt jubilant after landing her dream job. Word, kudos. Spelling, kudos. Meaning, praise or acclaim for an achievement. Synonyms, credit, distinction, esteem. Antonyms, criticism, disapproval, blame. Usage. The team received kudos for their outstanding performance. She earned kudos from her peers for her innovative project. Word, laconic. Spelling, laconic. Meaning, using few words, concise and direct in expression. Synonyms, brief, concise, compact. Antonyms, verbose, wordy, lengthy. Usage. The laconic reply from the manager left many questions unanswered. The detective was known for his laconic style, getting straight to the point. Word, languid. Spelling, languid. Meaning, without vigor or vitality, lacking in energy or interest, slow and casual in movements. Synonyms, inactive, inert, sluggish. Antonyms, active, energetic, vigorous. Usage. To his delight, a familiar, tall, languid figure lowered itself down the steps of a club. Time spent at Jumbie Bay can be as energetic or as languid as you wish. Word, larceny. Spelling, larceny. Meaning, theft, wrongful or fraudulent taking of the personal goods of another with felonious intent. Synonyms: theft, robbery, burglary. Antonyms: honesty, integrity. Usage: the suspect was charged with grand larceny for stealing valuable jewelry. Petty larceny is often punished with fines or short jail sentences. Word: largess. Spelling: largess. Meaning: the generous giving of gifts, favors, or money. Synonyms: generosity, charity, bounty. Antonyms: stinginess, intolerance, illiberality. Usage: the billionaire was known for his largess to various charitable organizations. The government's largess during the holiday season was welcomed by many families in need. Word: latent. Spelling: latent. Meaning: existing but not yet developed or manifest, hidden, concealed. Synonyms: hidden, concealed, dormant. Antonyms: manifest, apparent, obvious. Usage: the latent talent of the young artist was discovered by a renowned critic. The disease was latent for years before symptoms appeared. Word: lavish. Spelling: lavish. Meaning: very generous or liberal in giving or spending, often extravagantly so, characterized by abundance, luxuriance, splendor. Synonyms: profuse, overexuberant, plush. Antonyms: scant, scarce, small. Usage: the lavish wedding reception was attended by many celebrities. The critics were lavish with their praise for the new film. Word: lethargic. Spelling: lethargic. Meaning: lacking energy and enthusiasm, sluggish. Synonyms: sluggish, inactive, indolent. Antonyms: energetic, lively, active. Usage: after a long illness, she felt lethargic and struggled to regain her strength. The hot summer weather made him lethargic and he spent most days sleeping. Word: libertarian. Spelling: libertarian. Meaning: a person who advocates liberty, especially with regard to thought and action. Synonyms: liberal, radical, progressive. Antonyms: authoritarian, conservative, restrictive. Usage: he was a staunch libertarian who believed in minimal government intervention. The libertarian movement emphasized individual freedom and autonomy. Word: licentious. Spelling: licentious. Meaning: sexually promiscuous, morally unrestrained, or lacking in self-control. Synonyms: promiscuous, immoral, unrestrained. Antonyms: moral, restrained, disciplined. Usage: the licentious behavior of the celebrities was widely criticized. The society of that era was quite licentious, with little moral restraint. Word: limpid. Spelling: limpid. Meaning: clear and transparent in thought or expression, free from obscurity. Synonyms: clear, transparent, lucid. Antonyms: obscure, unclear, ambiguous. Usage: her limpid prose made the complex ideas easy to understand. The limpid waters of the lake reflected the sky perfectly. Word: linchpin. Spelling: linchpin. Meaning: a crucial or essential element that holds various parts or aspects of a system, organization, or plan together. Synonyms: crucial, essential, pivotal. Antonyms: non-essential, peripheral, secondary. Usage: education is often regarded as the linchpin for social progress and economic development. The team star player was the linchpin of their strategy. Word: lithe. Spelling: lithe. Meaning: not provided in the search results, generally means flexible and supple in movement or form. Synonyms: not provided in the search results, generally includes agile, flexible, supple. Antonyms: not provided in the search results, generally includes stiff, rigid, inflexible. Usage: the dancer's lithe body moved gracefully across the stage. Her lithe figure allowed her to perform complex gymnastics. Word: litigant. Spelling: litigant. Meaning: a person who is involved in a civil legal case, either because they are making a formal complaint about someone, or because a complaint is being made about them. Synonyms: claimant, party, plaintiff. Antonyms: not provided in the search results. Usage: the litigant in the court case was determined to prove their innocence. Both litigants agreed to settle the dispute out of court. Word. Lucid. Spelling, Lucid. Meaning, clear and easy to understand, thinking clearly again after a period of illness or confusion. Synonyms: clear, obvious, plain. Antonyms: obscure, irrational, dim. Usage. The professor's lucid explanation helped the students understand the complex concept. After recovering from the fever, he was lucid and able to recognize his family. Word. Lurid. Spelling, Lurid. Meaning, sensational or excessively graphic, often aiming to provoke strong reactions, originally meant pale or sallow. Synonyms, not provided in the search results, generally include sensational, graphic, vivid. Antonyms, not provided in the search results, generally include subdued, restrained, tasteful. Usage. The lurid details of the crime were splashed across the front page of the newspaper. The novel's lurid descriptions of violence were criticized for being gratuitous. Word. Maelstrom. Spelling, Maelstrom. Meaning, a very confused or violent situation, a large, powerful, or violent whirlpool. Synonyms: turmoil, disorder, confusion. Antonyms, not provided in the search results, generally includes calm, peace, serenity. Usage. The city was caught in a maelstrom of ethnic hatreds and vendetta politics. The early morning traffic created a maelstrom of honking horns and frustrated drivers. So, what did you think of this video? Let me know in the comments below, and if you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel, Kavi's Brain Boosters, to monitor your daily progress and get the latest updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.